Hello, I'm David Meredith, Director of the Irish Board of Speech and Drama. The purpose of this short video is to demonstrate how to use our online booking system. The first stage is to go to our website, www.irishboard.ie. Choose the Irish Board of Speech and Drama side of the screen and click on Enter. Click on Book Exams Online and choose the exams you want. Type in your name, your address, and your contact details. Using the calendar icon, choose your proposed exam date, and please provide an alternative just in case. Let us have your proposed start time and proposed finish time. Give us the address of the exam venue and directions or a Google Map reference if it's difficult to find. Additional information might include parking availability or maybe traffic concerns at different times. Please have a look at the exam regulations to refresh your memory and tick the confirmation box. There's a link to our GDPR policy which you should read too, and then tick that box. On the next page, you can enter the number of candidates doing each exam using the drop-down boxes. The fees are calculated automatically. It's very important that you complete this stage of the process so that we have a good idea of the numbers of candidates taking the exams. When you've finished, click on Submit and you'll be taken to our PayPal page. Once you've clicked Submit, your booking will be sent to us. If you want to pay by alternative means, or if you need any help whatsoever with your booking, please contact us.